Playing it loose, unraveling idioms in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, the hub for language lovers and English learners. Today, we've got a special episode for you. We're diving into the world of English idioms and phrases, which can sometimes be confusing, but they're always fun to learn. In this video, we're going to unpack the meaning of play loose and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, let's play it cool and start unraveling. When someone says they play loose, they're usually not talking about a game. Playing loose is an idiom that means to not follow rules or guidelines strictly. It's often used to describe someone who takes liberties or doesn't adhere closely to the rules, which can be either a good thing or a bad thing, depending on the context. For example, if you hear, "He plays loose with the office dress code," it means that person doesn't always wear the traditional work attire and may come to work in more casual clothes. Using the phrase, play loose, in conversation can sometimes be tricky because it has a nuanced meaning. Let's look at some examples to make it crystal clear. 1. In a professional context. 2. Our manager tends to play loose with meeting times, so we never start at 10 sharp. 3. Regarding honesty. 4. I don't trust that salesman. He tends to play loose with the truth. 5. When innovating or being creative. 6. Great artists sometimes play loose with traditional techniques to create something truly unique. Remember, while it can be used in a neutral or positive context, it often carries a negative connotation when it pertains to ethics or responsibility. Play loose can suggest flexibility or creativity, but it can also imply irresponsibility or unreliability. It's essential to understand the speaker's tone and the context to get the true meaning. Let's take a deeper look. Positive connotation. She plays loose with her painting style, and that's why her artwork is so vibrant and expressive. Negative connotation. If you play loose with the safety procedures, you're going to cause an accident someday. In each example, the phrase takes on a different light based on the scenario it's used in. Ever wondered where play loose comes from? While the origins of many idioms are unclear, play loose is thought to relate to the looseness or tightness with which one might play a game or hold onto something. Historically, playing with a relaxed grip could suggest a lack of precision or commitment, which translates well to the figurative meaning of the idiom. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify the phrase, play loose, for you. Remember, idioms are a playful part of language learning and can add color to your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to play around with the phrases you learn. Until our next video, keep learning and stay curious. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons on English. Have a great day.